In this video, you'll learn how to set up Google Authenticator on Binance. By the end of this tutorial, you will have successfully linked your Google Authenticator app to enhance the security of your Binance account. Start by navigating to the Binance website. Once there, sign into your account using your registered email and password. After logging in, locate your profile icon, usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu, then select Security from the options provided. This action will direct you to the Security Settings page. On the Security Settings page, look for the section labeled Two-Factor Authentication. Within this section, you will see various authentication options. Find the option for Google Authenticator and click on Enable or Set Up. This action will initiate the setup process for linking Google Authenticator to your account. Next, the screen will display a QR code along with a backup key. Open the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device, tap the plus icon to add a new account, then select Scan a QR code. Point your device's camera at the QR code displayed on the Binance screen. Once the QR code is successfully scanned, your Binance account will be added to the app. It is important to store the backup key securely, as it can be used to regain access if you lose your device. After scanning the QR code, the Google Authenticator app will generate a 6-digit verification code, return to the Binance website, and enter this code in the provided field. Once you input the code, click on Submit or Verify. This step links Google Authenticator to your Binance account, and you should see a confirmation message indicating that the setup is complete. To ensure everything is working correctly, log out of your Binance account. Once logged out, attempt to log back in. You will be prompted to enter the 6-digit code generated by the Google Authenticator app. Input the code to complete the login process. This final step confirms that the two-factor authentication is functioning as intended and enhances the security of your account. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.